This is the HD Kreg Jig. It's the big brother in the family of Kreg Jigs, designed for heavy-duty applications. Kreg Jigs create strong hidden joints in wooden projects using the pocket hole technique. With this heavy-duty version of the original Kreg Jig, the holes, bits and screws are 25% bigger, creating 50% stronger pocket hole joints. The HD Jig is ideal for larger DIY projects like furniture, railings, pergolas, fences and wall framing, where the timber is at least 38mm thick. This portable jig can be used with your existing K-jigs or as a standalone jig. Simply connect a Kreg face clamp, or alternatively you can screw it into position. Clamp the mating material into position with the HD Jig in place. Drill the hole up to the stop collar. Remove the jig and drive the screw in tight. It's that simple. Your joint is now complete. Added features of the HD Jig: the stop block provides easy repeatable alignment to the workpiece. The matching hex shank drill and driver bits allow for quick change capabilities. The sawdust relief holes help prolong the drill bit life. The heavy duty coated screws are suited for outdoor use. If you found this clip useful, like it, share it, leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to the Builders Fan YouTube channel for more product reviews just like this, as well as DIYs for you to replicate or be inspired.